We begin the procedure by creating the standard anteromedial and anterolateral portals. We start by taking a 5 mm margin from the torn edge of the posterior root. Using a knee scorpion, a vertical mattress suture is placed with 2/0 fiber wire. Next, on the posterior horn side of the tear, we take 5 mm margin from the torn edge to place a vertical mattress suture. The knot can be created either above or below the meniscus. In this case, we place the knot on the inferior side for the posterior root, while on the posterior horn, the knot was positioned on the superior surface of the meniscus. Now the 11 sutures are made. Next, we make the 8th suture. Both ends of 2/0 fiber wire is passed from the inferior side of the meniscocapsular junction, crossing over the previously placed 11 sutures. This step brings both suture ends to the superior surface of the meniscus. Then the suture ends are crossed to make figure 8 and passed through the central side of the tear from superior to inferior. Importantly, during this process, ensure that the suture crosses over the previously placed 11 sutures. By doing so, the sutures will cross on the superior surface of the meniscus. Here, we perform our partial resection of the meniscal flap and gradually tighten the sutures so that the meniscal tear are adequately pulled together. Finally, we use a knot pusher to secure the sutures tightly. As a result, the gap in the meniscal tear is completely closed.